ABE is a qualifications awarding body and membership organisation based in the UK. We provide qualifications which help people succeed in a business career, and we have pioneered outstanding business education for 45 years. We only accredit high-quality colleges and institutions, which we continuously monitor to ensure that they can deliver our qualifications to an exemplary standard. We are regulated by Ofqual, the British government's regulatory authority for England, and we are recognised by similar bodies worldwide. So although we are UK-based, our qualifications are recognised, respected and taught around the world. ABE's qualifications offer a blend of professional skills backed up by academic excellence. Employers like ABE qualifications because our graduates bring real and immediate value to the workplace. Our diplomas are more than just a professional qualification. They also have the same academic credits you gain from a degree. This means that ABE's diplomas offer great opportunities with many universities in the UK and around the world. For example, holders of our Level 6 qualification can go straight on to a master's programme, such as an MBA. We know that many people dream of running their own business, so entrepreneurialism is embedded throughout the programmes. ABE students develop the skill set they need to build, run and grow a successful enterprise. This is something that is also appreciated by employers, as increasingly companies value employees who can demonstrate entrepreneurial thinking and instinct. So ABE qualifications offer a winning combination that gives our graduates the best of all worlds. The great thing about a professional diploma in business management is that it can open the door to so many careers and doesn't limit you. That's why our qualifications in disciplines such as HR and marketing include general business management. It gives our graduates a wider choice and is invaluable when they get to a level where they are involved in strategic business decision making. We have ABE graduates who are top politicians, hold senior positions in multinational organisations, and of course many are now running their own successful businesses. In a recent survey, ABE graduates were working in more than 70 countries, in over 100 different sectors, and over 1,000 different job titles were given. The feedback we get universally is that ABE qualifications develop skills that can be applied to any role and at any level from day one. We have many examples of companies sponsoring their employees to study ABE programmes. The content of our qualifications has been developed by working closely with employers and assessing the skills they value most and anticipate needing in the future. This process is ongoing. We continually evaluate our programmes to ensure that ABE qualifications reflect the latest business thinking and respond to international trends as well as local needs. The world is changing fast, and it's an exciting time to be a pioneer in global business education. We are continuously adding more features and value to our offer. We are increasing our influence and global reputation for the benefit of our members and innovating with the latest methods in teaching and learning. We want you to come on this journey with us.